Welcome. Welcome to Aurubis Richmond's first melt ceremony, a milestone that marks the moment where this massive, first-of-its-kind facility shifts from construction now to 24-hour-a-day, full-scale operations.
We started with a vision, a greenfield, and today we are in a state-of-the-art plant. What a transformation it has been, and what a journey it has been for all of us really here today.
Overall, we invested $850 million, making Aurubis Richmond the largest German foreign direct investment in the state of Georgia. It is the first of its kind, state-of-the-art multi-metal secondary smelter in the United States, a symbol of independence and resiliency.
Metals like copper, nickel and tin, but also precious metals, are the backbone of advanced manufacturing. By keeping metals here at home, we reduce dependency on imports, safeguard critical resources and strengthen America's ability to manufacture the technologies of the future. Thanks to the first-of-its-kind technology here at Richmond, the United States can now reassert ownership of these essential metals at scale, at speed, and for generations to come.
Not only will this facility reinforce America's ability to supply itself with the metals that help strengthen our national security, our infrastructure, and our technology leadership, but it also exemplifies how international partnerships, which are crucial, that we can contribute solidifying America's industrial foundation.
And we, as Germany, are delighted to be part of creating this joint resilience, which we also see as an investment in our common security partnership.
We have similar backgrounds. We share values. And most importantly, we have a shared vision about metals for America.
Today, we start a new era in US resilience. An era where we secure strategic supplies of critical metals, strengthen transatlantic ties, and unlock opportunities that will last for generations.
And let's remember, this wasn't done by machines or by luck. It was done by you, by us, together.
So folks, hold on to your seats.
Let's melt.